Hi guys, and welcome to day 18 of our 21 baby steps to a more organized home with the Fly Lady system, my style. Yes, and now in today's baby steps, we are going to give our kids simple chores for them to do around the house, because we need to start teaching these people how to contribute in the place where they live. You know, if you have young kids like I do, how hard it can be sometimes to just teach them responsibility, and also how hard and tiring it is sometimes to just frankly keep doing everything for them. So it is such a joy for me, and I believe for any parent, when you see your kids growing up and being able to help you do some of these things. Now, the best way for you to know that your kids are able to take some of these responsibilities is to actually give them responsibilities. So one of the things we decided we're going to do this year is we're going to introduce a chore chart for our children, and here is that chore chart. Basically, we came up with the few chores that our kids do. Most of these are for now self-care chores, because we're at that stage where we're teaching them how to take care of themselves, how to shower themselves, brush their own teeth, pick out their own clothes, get dressed, make your bed and all that, so that we don't have to keep nagging them every day when it's 4 o'clock, oh, go take a shower, or it's when it's time to set the table, oh, set the table, you know, and all this. Or when it's time after dinner, brush your teeth. So it's so nice to have a chore chart, because the kids are self-motivated to do it, okay? So what we did is everybody got their own copy. Yes, even the 3-year-old, even if he may not be able to do much, he will still be motivated to see that he has one, and over time he will start taking some of those responsibilities. And what we did, because not all of them can read, is everybody picked their favorite color. And so even if they can't read their names, I'm writing their names in their favorite color. So when you see the purple one, you know it is this person. The green one, it is this person. And then also, it's nice to have a simple reward system for them. For us, we chose money, because we are also trying to teach them how to handle money, how to earn money, what to do when you earn money. So here it's more like a 2-for-1 type of thing. So I've already spoken to our kids about this. Yes, you may just see me on camera, but my husband and I are doing this together. So let me show you how it went as we introduced our kids to the simple chore chart. And yeah, let's see how it went. So you guys remember that we've been talking about having a chore chart?
Yeah.
Who knows which chores do we do here? Tell me, which chores?
Clean up.
Clean up.
Pick your toys.
Don't take out your own clothes.
Don't break anything. Pick out your own clothes. What other chores do we do?
Obey the teacher.
Well, yes, you obey the teacher, but that's not entirely a chore.
Read.
Reading, yes, fantastic. What else?
Switching off the light. Getting into bed.
Yes, but also
Folding.
making your
Baking.
making your baking.
Making your bed.
Making your bed, exactly. So what?
And baking.
Can we see what?
You'll see just now. Let me first explain. So what Daddy and I did is we've come up with a chore chart. Exactly. So everybody is going to get a chore chart, because from now henceforth you're going to be doing what you're supposed to do without being told to go and do it. Yeah? I know you guys can do that, right?
Yes.
So when you wake up in the morning, what's the first thing you do?
Make your bed.
You make your bed.
Can I see?
Yeah, you'll see just now. And then you take off your pajama and you wear your where you wear your clothes. Yes. And what do you do when you're going to have a meal, either breakfast or lunch or dinner? What's the first thing we do?
Set the table.
We set the table. Yes. And when you finish class, what does Daddy give you to do after class?
Work.
Yes, you do your
Work.
homework. Exactly. It up, Baba? Yes. Exactly. And then what else do you do after, in the evening before we have dinner? We take a
Shower.
And what happens before you go to bed? We
Pray.
But before we pray, we
Brush teeth.
exactly. Do we clean up our toys?
Yes.
We read.
Yes.
We pick out our clothes before we go to bed.
Yes.
So that's exactly what is on your chore chart. You see, everybody will get a chore chart, and we're going to write your name here. So, and it has the days of the week. How many days do we have in the week?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yes. So now on Sunday we won't have any chores because on Sunday we rest, okay? But from Monday to Saturday, every person will be going to their own chore chart. It's going to have your name, I'll show you. And then on Monday, when you make a bed, you come and you put a tick there. On Tuesday, first you make your bed, and then when you finish, you put a check. When you get dressed, you put a check. When you set the table, like that. When you do your homework, like that, like that. And then in the evening, before we have our devotions or after, we'll be looking at everybody's chore chart, and we see who has finished all their work. And if you finish all your work in the evening, you get a star. And for every star you get, Daddy and Mommy will give you money. Who wants to make some money?
Me.
How much money should Mommy and Daddy give you in the evening if you finish all your chores?
100.
Hey, 100?
10 shillings.
I know it was fun. Okay, let's do that again. So how much money should Mommy and Daddy give you?
10 shillings.
10 shillings.
10 shillings for every finished. If you finish all this in the evening, you get 10 shillings. And on Tuesday, if you finish, you get another 10 shillings. If you don't finish all of them, you don't get any. Deal or no deal?
Deal.
Deal or no deal?
Deal.
And so that by the time we are going to church on Sunday, you'll see all the money that everyone has. And then, before we go to church, you get to decide what you want to do with your money. If you want to save it, if you want to go do some shopping with it at the supermarket, it's gonna be all up to you.
I want to buy some stuff.
You want to buy some stuff?
I'd like to buy some new toys.
Some new toys?
Me too.
And what else do you want to buy? Everybody wants to buy?
I want the tiger.
I'll remote control fire truck.
A remote control fire truck. Fantastic.
too.
You too?
I want to buy something else.
Oh, what do you want to buy?
A remote control.
I'll decide.
A fire station that's metal.
Okay. So basically, okay.
Used by a control. One.
One.
A
Fantastic.
control with many buttons and mover thingies.
And mover thingies. Okay, then if you want to be able to make some money, then you have to finish all your chores every single day. And when you finish, remember to come and do a check. And you're going to learn to do your chores without anybody coming to remind you every day. Deal or no deal?
Deal.
Anybody up to make some money?
Yeah!
Let's shake on it. Deal?
Deal.
Deal?
But where's shower?
Deal?
But where's shower?
Deal?
Yeah.
Where's showering? Showering is right here. Can you see?
Yeah.
And you do your homework. And you said, so when it's your turn to set the table, you're not going to be told a million times. If you know you set the table for breakfast, you go and set the table. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Alrighty then. Let's see how this goes. Okay? Every day, I'm going to look for a clipboard to hang this. But until I get a clipboard, I'm going to put it on that cabinet that is outside Mommy and Daddy's room. Okay? Every day you're going to go, and when you do something, when you make your bed in the morning, you put a check mark. I'm going to put all of this there, and I'm going to write your name, and I'm going to leave a pen there. And you don't put a check mark until you have finished your chore. When you make your bed, that's when you put a check mark. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay? All right, we're done. How is that for a surprise? Is it fun and exciting?
That's not the surprise.
That is the surprise. So that's how it went, guys. I am actually very happy, and this is something that we've been talking to our kids about, and they've been really looking forward to having a chore chat because they've really been looking forward to going shopping and to spending the money that they have earned. So they've been saying, oh, I need to do some chores, tell me what to do so I can earn some money. So this is a really exciting new phase and new chapter for us and for them. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how they develop, how they become more capable as they grow. And I hope you will try this. Now, what we have done also is we have put a link to get a free printable of this. And it is basically, I believe, if your kids are, I'd say 8 and under, most of these chores they can do for themselves. If you want them to do it for them. I mean, not everyone wants their kids to do these things. So if you want your kids to be more responsible in this respect, you can print this out and see how it goes. And also you can just add change. You know what happens is over time, let's say in about maybe 4, 5, 6 months, our kids will be proficient in doing these things, I believe. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove what they're already good at, and then we're going to replace with more charts. That way they will grow in their responsibilities. And so this is editable. Please feel free to change whatever chores work for you and your situation. The key thing is to help kids to learn to do something every day without being asked to do. So that is our baby step. Remember, every day we are going to be checking how our kids did on their chores and talking to them about it so that they see it's a daily thing. And that is why we put it in our 21 baby step checklist, because it is part of your day to check on your kids and how they're doing with their chores, because we are all becoming responsible as a family, not just the mamas, okay? And also remember to fill it in your control journal. Keep up the good work, guys. I'm so proud of you, and I will see you in tomorrow's baby steps.